Welcome to the Crypto Nest. All right, so Bitcoin is moving today and is completing this correction. So once again, let me readjust here. So as you can see, this we had three wave up, three wave down, and also afterward we have three wave up. So let me go and fetch it here. It's been a while. As you can see, it did move a lot. Yeah, so this B wave was a B wave, actually a high B wave. And we even went a little bit higher than the 1.05 fib extension. So, and after that, now we're going down. I believe now we should be pretty much near the end of this correction. I am not sure if I can label this as a 1-2. All this was a third. Or maybe it was here, and this is the fourth, and we're doing the fifth now. Because if I zoom in into this allegedly third wave, can I say this was a 1-2, a third, a fourth? Well, it's 15 minutes, right? So not ideal, but the fourth wave is a little bit high, and we have a lower low for this fifth wave. So it kind of work if I do micro or nano counting. But the bigger picture is the fourth wave should pretty much find support within this box here, the red one. So we already went below the 0.236. Actually, now I'm going to remove the 0.236 since we already touched the 0.382, which, by the way, this is the ideal target for a fourth wave. So let me recenter this fourth wave. Also, wave A to wave C, we did go lower than the 1-to-1 ratio. We went lower than the 1.236, almost there to reach the 1.618. Now, it's not a must. Many times when we go below 1-to-1 ratio, we tend to, be in the territory on the 1.618. I honestly believe now, I consider it done. I mean, we were like $800 away from hitting perfectly. I think it's reasonable, and so, plus this is micro counting, but once again, 0.32 ideal target for a fourth wave. So now I am expecting, I'm looking forward for a reaction in price to the upside, so we can start to work onto this fifth wave. So once again, I'm going to zoom out a little bit. So this was, I know, I need to change. Need to change now here. Don't know where I did it. Let me double check here. I do it here. Maybe I remove it? Don't remember. I thought I did it. Okay, I'm going to take the it's not that one. Okay, let me do it. No biggie. All right, so I'm going to take the length of wave 1 and 3. And I'm taking this level here. And I'm going to put, anyway, for the moment, what it looks like it is our fourth wave. Going to take the setting wave 1 plus wave 3. And where are... I'm going to add the 0.32. I think it's too low, but let me move it around. Okay, so I'm going to put it in yellow now. So the first level that we should kind of reach, minimum target, would be 90, let's say 95,000, or I would say 94,900 for this fifth wave. But ideally, we'll go a little bit higher, and yeah, so 97,500 would be very nice. And this is pretty much all I wanted to share with you guys. I am on the 15 minutes. Wow, okay. I want to just maybe go on the 4 hours here and bring out the VRVP just to give us also an idea on the levels. So we do have, well, 94.1, some resistance there because trading was quite of high, up to 97,000. So I would say, this is a nice portion here. I'm aiming more for a 97,000, honestly, and I will try to get the most I can profits on that level, because I fear that after that this is going to be our completed fourth wave, and then we're going to have another leg down. Do we have to do it? Not necessarily. Let me remove that because it's a little bit messy otherwise. So once again, yeah, sure, we can do something more bullish. Maybe this could be a 1-2, and now we're working on a third wave. How can we know that? Well, if the price goes way higher than 97,000, actually it can go up to 101, then we're going to lean on something more bullish. But there are some conditions. If this is a 1-2, then here into this movement, then we would still need 5-way up, right? So we would have 5-way up, and then we will need 3-wave down, and we're going to calculate a retracement for a wave 2, because if this is a wave 1, we need an ABC for the wave 2, and cannot go below where the wave 1 started, otherwise it's going to be invalidated, and officially we are going lower for the fourth wave. If price does that, kind of to manage to reverse price and go higher, then we could say very well, now maybe, if he can give us another time 5-way up, then we can call that the third wave, and so on. And all this, if he managed to give us 5 waves, that could be eventually a bigger wave 1. But there is a problem. Okay, so what if this is just the wave A? We're going to have a B wave and a C wave. So, wave 1 and 3 and ABC also, it's going to be touchy a little bit. We're not there yet, right? But when we get there, we will have some levels that can help us out to differentiate which scenario it's more likely, by invalidating if it goes way higher than what it's supposed to for a fourth wave, or if it starts to go lower where a wave 2 cannot go. Alright, so hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and have a good day. Bye!